Again, this is a short video showing the repaired area for the shingles at the Palms Villa Condominium Association. We replaced a wind damaged shingle, and we're going to use that for an ITEL. Here's the repair area. He had to replace 4 shingles to get 1 shingle. And we see here creases on multiple shingles above the area of repair. And then significant granule loss to the shingles below where the roofer was standing to make the repairs. This is a 13-year-old, now 14-year-old shingle that was installed in 2003.